Hello friends, KC channel presenting today's video. Friends, IPL not. Yes, 19th September IPL 2020 going to start. My video about IRL, not IPL. It is about research. How to do research. Indian Research League 2020. In my channel, series of research videos already published. This is the link for your reference. Today's video about hypothesis. What do you mean by hypothesis? It is to check is there any relationship between the two variables in our research. Yes, there are two hypotheses, null hypothesis, alternative hypothesis. Usually we are rejecting the null hypothesis, we are trying to reject the null hypothesis. Whatever the result, just it is our finding. From Shodh Ganga, various theses I refer and selected the hypothesis statements in HR area. See the first one. There is no effect of proactive strategy on talent management. Proactive strategy and talent management. Is there any relationship? Null hypothesis, no effect. Second one, no significant difference in the market performance and the TQM implementation, total quality management implementation. Third one, benchmarking practices among the different sectors. For example, banking sector, for example, manufacturing sector, for example, information technology sector. What kind of benchmarking practices they are adopted? Benchmarking, a standard format, a standard rule, a standard procedure followed, and we are checking the actual with the standard. Usually 100%, that is our benchmarking. How much percentage we scored. The next one, no significant relationship between emotional intelligence and occupational stress. Excellent topic. Next one, there is no significant difference in the quality of decision making before and after business intelligence tool, BI, business intelligence tool implementation. In a company, the business intelligence implemented, the business intelligence tool implemented. Before, how the decision making done, after this business intelligence system, how the decision making. Next one, there is no significant difference among the manager and employee relationship and the overall quality of work life in different banks, work life of banking employees. No significant difference in the performance management practices of the companies under study. The researcher did a study in through two or three companies. So in that companies, how the performance management practices. So the hypothesis, performance management and the significant difference. Is there any difference between the performance management practices between one company and another company? There is no significant difference among the age wise, income wise, experience wise and marital status wise viewpoint of women employees towards the barriers faced in their career in IT sector. Usually, this is the hypothesis most of the researcher adopted based on the demographic variable, age and the relationship between the core variable. Next one, there is no significant difference between the small and medium organization regarding the level of existence of employee engagement and various outcome of employee engagement. How the employee engagement activities in small, in medium organizations. Is there any relationship? The last one, it is not a null hypothesis, it is an alternative hypothesis. There is an impact of work family conflict levels on work life balance of automobile employees. All these hypotheses I referred. I referred from various theses from Shodhganga website for your reference. Thank you friends. Subscribe my channel, share this video to your friends, scholars. Thank you.